Hi, I'm Ryan from L&R Automotive in Forest Lake, Minnesota, and we've been doing some videos just to kind of catch up on some things that we've been doing around the shop, things that you may find interesting. Today we had a 2011 Ford F350 in here with the check engine light on for a DEF tank heater, or the diesel exhaust fluid heater for that fluid. So this is how Ford and GM use almost this exact same thing in the early days of their DEF systems. So this particular black portion, the bottom portion of this ends up down in that DEF fluid that's floating here. That's what all this old kind of white stuff is that's on here. That's what happens to that stuff when it dries. But this is the heater unit and the sending unit portion of it. So if you can see down inside there, it might be kind of tough, but that little white thing down there, that's kind of like a double-sided H there, that is the heater itself. That will, with this thing, you know, in this kind of climate, this stuff is mostly water and it will freeze. So what it will do is inside the sending unit, it will warm that up in there so that it still has some liquid DEF fluid to use in the wintertime. And then the pump sits on top of here that will run this fluid out to the DEF injector and all that kind of stuff. But this we had to replace. This whole thing is the whole heater assembly, so this is kind of what we had to replace. So like I said, if you have any sort of check engine lights, or if that DEF system or reductant system is not working, you can feel free to give us a call and we can take a look at it and see if there's something we can help you out with getting it fixed. So thanks, and then we'll catch you on the next one.